Good afternoon, and just within the last few minutes, the state's attorney's office just releasing a statement saying they are getting ready to release over 2,000 pages of documents related to the Jussie Smollett case. These documents not normally available in criminal or civil cases, that statement telling us. And although we have received redacted documents in the past from Kim Foxx's office, we now expect to learn why certain decisions were made and when. 178 text messages, more than 3,600 emails. That's just part of what Kim Foxx's state's attorney's office has already released in connection to the Jussie Smollett case, originally accused of staging his own racist and homophobic attack.
Bless y'all. Thank you very much.
But when charges were suddenly dropped, the case was sealed until a judge reversed that decision last week.
This case was treated like the other cases that have gone through our alternative prosecution model.
But doubt has been cast on that statement. Text messages like this one from former White House staffer Tina Chen to Fox reaching out on Smollett's behalf. That exchange prompted Fox to recuse herself from the case, but later text messages show she still had her hand in it.
I think that the charges that were filed, and again, I was recused at the time of the charges, were appropriate. I believe that the outcome, him having to forfeit the $10,000, having to do community service based on the allegations, and again, the class 4 felony and no background, are an outcome that we could expect with this type of case.
But along with that $10,000 and community service Jussie eventually did, after pouring through nearly 500 documents released by the Chicago Police Department, we learned Smollett was also to admit guilt, but that never happened.
People don't know what to expect. According to the statute, you need not plead guilty to be availed of this type of outcome.
Now again, late this afternoon, just within the last few minutes, the Cook County State's Attorney Kim Foxx releasing this statement. It reads in part, "I regret that my attempts to this end created confusion outside of the office. The public's trust is paramount to our work. That is why today I am releasing material above and beyond what is required." Now, one issue not addressed in this statement right here is exactly when those documents will hit, when they will come into our newsroom. But we are waiting. We have a team of people in our newsroom waiting to go through those. Again, 2,000 pages related to the case, and as soon as we get those, we are going to have live updates online and on Twitter, and of course our website, cbschicago.com, and more information coming up here at 6 o'clock, Erica.
Okay, Charlie, thank you.